Hey everyone, Josh here with J&T's Journey. This video is an extra release for us, and this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do a slow video of Bonfire Hill, specifically the track that goes up over Bonfire Hill in the Hampton State Forest in regional New South Wales. I'm documenting this one from our Dashcam, so the footage isn't quite the normal footage that we'd have. However, I recently did this run and I've had a friend ask if I could publish the footage. So this is going to be a slow video. There's going to be no music, no editing, no nothing, just driving up over the hill and stopping at the top and then having a look down the other side. It does show the overall condition of the track, and it's not too bad. We didn't have any issues, or I didn't have any issues when I did this track at the end of April 2025. So if you're watching, that's when this is dated. So enjoy, please. At the end, do tell me what you think about this. Drop a comment. If you'd like to see some more of this kind of content, let me know. If you don't feel that this is in line with what you want to see in the channel, let us know that too. Be happy to publish more of these kinds of videos if that's what people would find interesting. We are going to continue all our regular content. So that being said, here's Bonfire Hill in the Hampton State Forest. I want to check this out because I want to see Bonfire Hill.
Oh, yep, this is definitely intermediate.
there you go. Nice and short one, just straight up, over the top, down the other side. Real simple video. If you're enjoying our content, please don't forget, like, subscribe, share our videos, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that one. As I said at the beginning of the intro, leave us a comment, let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff at a better quality, I can certainly look at putting some better external cameras up next time we go and do this kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. This is Josh with J&T's Journey. Cheers.